Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to show bookmark bar on Microsoft Edge. So if you want to show your bookmark bar on Microsoft Edge, then what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top left corner of your screen, and after tapping on the three dotted icon, now what you can do is just go to your settings. Inside your settings, now what you can do is just tap on this option which is appearance. You can find in the left side of your screen. Just tap on appearance. After tapping on appearance, now just scroll down which is show favorites bar. So now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is always beside that show favorites bar. Tapping on this option, now you can find this following option. So if you tap on never, then your bookmark bar will be disappeared. So if you tap on always, then it will reappear. And you have another option which is only on new tab. So if your Microsoft Edge is on a new tab, then your bookmark bar will be shown, or else it will not. So that's it guys, this is how to hide bookmark bar on Microsoft Edge. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.